here they are. These are my paddle shifters. I don't know if it's focusing. Okay. All right. These are my paddle shifters. And I am going to create something to go right here. And it's going to come down to right here. You know? So, pretty much, y'all stay tuned for that. You know, I've always wanted to, you know, and I'm finally going to do it. You know, I just hope, I know it's going to come out to what I'm expecting. And I hope y'all like it. So, stay tuned. Also, y'all, I want to get in the habit of sketching out my product before I actually design it. But this right here is how it looked on the computer. Well, on the computer is a lot more, I guess, detailed. But check this out. This is oil pastel. And I'm going to get in the habit of creating this or designing it, showing what it could look like on paper before I actually present it. Okay, so here's the prototype. Let's see how it fits. Okay, so I'm gonna have to make some major adjustments. Okay, so I remade it. This is the results. And let's check and see how it fits. Alright. Boom. Fit pretty good. Yeah, so like I said, meaning that it does fit well, I'm going to now, probably starting right here, I want to start to angle it out. So it's going to come out to about right here. So let me see what I can do. Okay, everybody, finally, after almost 12 hours of working on this project, I finally have it finished. All right, y'all, so here I have the finishing product. This is right here where I started off, just to test the to make sure that the paddle shifter fit inside of the hole, and it did. And then this right here was the first prototype of its kind, and as you can see, I had a little bit of problems with the printer. It started doing something funny, and that's what you would get sometimes at the very bottom, and it's rough and not likable at all. But this right here, after troubleshooting the printer, doing a little upgrades to it, this is the ending product. Very nice. Very nice. Now, this took 12 hours to make. You know, not I mean, that's pretty long, but you know, with going to the store and then troubleshooting the printer, you know, and these right here, they take every bit about almost 2 hours to make. So yeah, I was finished, I would say around 12 o'clock with everything, and was able to go to sleep, but still couldn't go to sleep until after 3 o'clock because, hey, it'd be like that sometimes when your mind is going a million miles per hour. But yes, let's test these on the Jeep. All right, now this right here is what it looks like actually on there. I've already tested out, of course, to see if the bottoms fit, and they do fit right over top of the paddle shifters. And I have the plus and the minus, as you can see. Doesn't feel too bad. Feel pretty secure. No rattles really. Let's see if I can turn the steering wheel. Yep. They don't fall off. Nice and sturdy. So let's take her for a ride real fast and use them. Alright. Got it in first gear. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. I actually got a little bit more reach on there, actually. Instead of placing my hand down here, you know, I can actually place it up here and shift it. Turn around. Yep, not too bad, not too shabby. Let me know what you think. There you have it. Another problem solved. Actually, it wasn't even a problem. That was more so like a freestyle, to be honest with you. And you know, it took a little longer than I expected. You know, due to technical difficulties, which we all have in this life. You know, but all you have to do is be patient. You be patient, work with it a little bit, make a little minor adjustments, and boom, there you have it. You will have a product that looks like that. Not too bad. But later on, it's kind of bothering me right now, but I am going to adjust this a little bit. I have to adjust it. I have to make, let me see, I have to make this a little bit smaller if it's going to be usable on my car, and I think I have a plan. So if I make any updates, of course, I will let you all know. But thank y'all for tuning in to Sean's Quality Services. I hope I inspired somebody. I hope, you know, you like my product that I created. I hope you like my little drawing that I drew with it. You know what I'm saying? It looked like a little squirt gun, but it wasn't. It wasn't. It was this product right here. You know, real cool, man. I'm so fascinated that I created something like this, you know. Actually, it already existed. It's already in the universe already. You just gotta want to know about it. Whatever it is that you want to create, you know what I'm saying, you start off with a subject, and then you think about a particular problem that subject might have, or that material might have, and look at fixing it. And boom, at that moment, you might have just created something that already existed, but you bring it to life. Sean's Quality Services, signing out. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for tuning in.